Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to show you one of the best tool I have invested in is sprayer pump. Toe behind is boom and spark sprayer. Spark sprayer means you have a little handle nozzle and you have about 6-7 feet hose. You can move around the area you can reach, and you also have a boom on the behind since I am pulling back. I used to have the backpack sprayer, and as you can see I have a lot of grass, and somehow when we planted this grass we put some kind of a manure and we put some kind of compost, and a lot of weed came by there, and we have to water a lot, so a lot of weed. It's been a couple of years now, like 2-3 years since we have a grass, so it's not gonna hurt. So I'm going to do weed controller sprayer, and I always do with my backpack, and this take me all day to cover my whole area. Since I have this one, that's the second or third time I'm trying to do. I also use permanent weed controller like on the side, on my other side of the property, like on the rocks. So I use a lot. So basically I was all day on my weekend have a backpack on my body, picking up, getting wet, getting through the chemical. But since I have bought this one, my job got really easy. So like say here, the mixture I have inside, I used to have it only like a 5 gallon. But what I'm trying to do, I put almost a 15 gallon inside, almost triple the time, and I'm also washing really good so I don't miss any spot. So I'm using my Kubota to pull. You can pull with your lawnmower or any other tractor. So if you have just like my situation, you thinking like when I was trying to buy, I was thinking I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not. I have a lot of sometimes I change my mind. No, it's really expensive, but I don't want to buy. So I bought this one, I think $185. It's toe behind, really great. And I always, when I use this one, it make my life a lot easier. And I think I have invested in best tool. So that's one of my favorite. So if you're looking for something like that, you have a situation, don't think about it, just invest, and it will save you a lot of time, and you will be stay away from the chemical. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Meet you in next video with a new topic.